Hello friends, it's Sherry. How you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here to announce a new open collab. So this is going to be having some fun with our napkins. Napkins. So this is a new collab and the co-hosts are, there's three of us, Susan from Susan Hiles Art, Joanne from Junk Journal Treasures, and myself. And so what we're going to do is this collab will be just during the month of February. So like today's the announcement, and then the next 3 Fridays will be when we do our, collab work. So what you do to participate is to post a video on YouTube or Instagram and let us know so that we can link you in your channel or your video in, let's see, how are we going to do that? In our description box. And so we're going to link your channel so people can find you. Let one of us know so, we can do that. And use the hashtag, can you say napkins? And that's pretty much all there is to it, I think. I'm going to put all the instructions in case I miss something. I'm going to put all of this in my description box to start. So just, comment under this video, yes, I'm going to participate on Instagram or whatever. And then make sure you use the hashtag because that makes it really easy for us to find you, especially on Instagram. And the exact dates are January 14, 21, and 28. So the first week, which is the 14th, next week, collage with a napkin. So I was going to give you a couple of examples how you can collage. You can collage on anything, right? You can make a masterboard, you can collage on a tag, you can, collage on paper, just wherever you want to collage, whatever kind of collage you want to do. There's no, this is non-stressful. But here's an example of a napkin I collaged on some old book pages. And it's probably actually good to reinforce the pages too and give them some stability because you're putting another layer on. But this is a pretty napkin. You can see the Eiffel Tower here. I put on these old book pages and I have like torn edges here. So this is ready to go on a journal, and I had hinged the pages together there. So that's one example. Here's another example of a napkin I put on book pages. I hinged these 2 pages together too, and just did a little duck over here, which was the kind of center part of one of the squares. And that is just napkin. There's no paint or anything on there. It was just white around this duck. So yeah, that's ready, pretty much ready to go into a journal, unless I want to do something else to it. And then here's this is all the napkins I have. And I don't use them very much. So I was really glad when this was Susan's idea, Susan Hiles Art. And when she asked me about doing this collab, I was really happy to do it because even though I don't have very many napkins, I still, kind of forget to use them. So I've got, these flowered ones. Some of these I got in Happy Mail. This bird here I got in Happy Mail. These pretty birds, I would love to use that. Here's a pretty autumn napkin I've got in Happy Mail. These bunnies, I don't know if I bought these or got these in Happy Mail, but I sure do love them. Pioneer Woman napkins. I doubt if I bought those, so unless I found them at a thrift store. But I kind of have a feeling I got them in Happy Mail. These, this I did get in these I got, oh yeah, these 2 packages actually I got at a thrift store. These little kind of retro looking flowers and these tulips. This is a pretty one that I got in Happy Mail. Isn't it beautiful with the kind of, there's like architectural pictures and things on this one. Here's we've got a sugar skull here. Super. I really like this, and I'd like to do something with it and save it for Halloween. And I've got these. These I did buy, and I only have. Let's see. Is this? Oh no. See, here's a bunch. I have a bunch of these. I had bought a pack of these a few years ago, and I have used them, but they're. And I have sent them in Happy Mail and things like that. So, oh, I only have like 4 there and this piece of one there. Here's a pretty, this would be great in a farm journal that I got in Happy Mail. This too, the bunnies here. Oh, some toy soldiers. And I love this one. I got this a few years ago and I love it. I've never used it because I love it so much, but maybe I'll break down and use it. Here's a bird, so cute. I think I got that one at the same time from the same person. I know who it was, but I don't want to say anything right now. I don't know. Sometimes I don't say people's names on video. I don't know if they, want me to, because I already did a video on that 2 years ago when I received them. But this is a nice coffee related theme on that one. Here's just what's left of one with these pretty flowers. Sunflowers. Oh goodness, these are so pretty. I would love to do something with those. A few of those. I know I received all of these in Happy Mail. A pretty poinsettia. Oh, this is a very pretty snowman napkin and a Christmas tree. So that is the extent of my napkins, and I don't really buy them unless I have a special project, in which you can see the only ones that I've ever bought in here are this one and this couple I found when I first started doing junk journals, really. And I first thought of, using napkins and saw that what you could do in napkins. I bought this couple at, and I've used a lot of that I have up. I've either used them or sent them in Happy Mail, or my goodie bags, that I do for people. So anyway, that is the extent of it. As far as, let me tell you what the prompts are for the first week. Next Friday was collage with a napkin. So that's pretty wide open and, non-stressful, I would say, because it gives you so many choices. And then the next Friday is add a napkin to a tag or a pocket. I think that'll be fun. And you can make, as many tags or pockets or both that you want. And in the next week, the last week, add a napkin to a journal page. So that's what I was kind of showing you these, because I just had those handy. But anyway, super fun and easy and non-stressful, and just, let's have some fun with it. And I hope you join in. Anybody can join, like I said. So, and if you want to if you don't have a YouTube channel or Instagram, join Instagram at least. But if you don't want to do that, just let us know that you're participating at home, and we'd love to, hear about what you're doing. So let any one of us know. We'll let each other know. We'll get you in all of our description boxes. So everybody take care. I'll see you on next Friday. I'll try to put one of us or all of us, or a couple of us at least, will put a reminder out in the community post, so that you remember, when the first one is, so you have a little reminder to, to get ready. So thanks for watching today. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Happy crafting.